Llama, red pajama, weeping, wailing for his mama.
Mama.
Will his mama ever come? Mama Llama, run, run, run! Here comes Mama.
Oh, my baby.
She says, baby llama, what a tizzy. Sometimes Mama's very busy. Please stop all this llama drama and be patient for your mama. Little llama, don't you know? Mama Llama loves you so. Mama Llama's always near, even if she's not right here. Llama Llama red pajama gets 2 kisses from his mama. Baby llama goes to sleep. That's right. The end.
Mama.
What'd he say? Mama. Mama.